Morning, students.
Morning, ma'am.
Good
Good morning, ma'am.
So good morning, students. Today our next practical about the manure and fertilizer is the soil fertility management. That is the practical is the preparation of or estimation of soil organic carbon. How we estimate the soil organic carbon.
Okay, and what we have to do, you see, like if I remove this paper, okay, is I'm audible? Okay. So what I have to do is I want to firstly this is off. Okay, I have to on it. Then I have to place my paper here. Okay. Then what I have to do? I have to do mark it 0 like this. Now the chemicals we are required for estimating soil organic carbon is this is sodium fluoride, then sulfuric acid, okay, then I have diphenyl, then orthophosphoric acid, then I have a soil sample here which is totally I can say it is a mashed soil, it is very powdery. Okay, we need to oven dry it, then after oven drying it I have to sieve it, doing sieving, and we get a powder sugar like this. Then after that what we have ammonium sulfate, ferrous sulfate or ferrous ammonium sulfate. Then I have a potassium dichromate and the distilled water, and I have the volumetric flask of 1000 ml both, and this is the measuring cylinder, this is the beaker. Okay, and I have a burette stand also because we are doing through Walkley method, so this need a titration. For titration we need this. Okay, now what we have to do, firstly what you have to take potassium dichromate. Okay, and you need the amount of see guys, the paper weight is not here, you have to put it on 0. See like this, if I remove it, then if I place it, so it has some weight, so I have to calibrate it as 0. Now what I have to do, I have to take 49.04 gram of this potassium dichromate, okay, from this box. So you are seeing that so it is more. Okay, so I have to put it with the help of spatula. I have to remove this extra amount of the potassium dichromate. So I need 49 grams. So you are seeing that it is around 49 grams. Okay. Then what I have to do, I have to take this. Okay. Take this whole amount of potassium dichromate and I have to put it in my volumetric flask. Okay. Or I can take it directly into this and okay. Then what I have to do is I have to put it in this volumetric flask. So what I have to take potassium dichromate by it, like pouring it into this. So I have to take distilled water. So I have to put distilled water into it. Now I have to take a glass rod and mix it like this. And I have to pour it in my volumetric flask, just like this. We have to take now, we have to take this ammonium ferrous sulfate. Again, we can measure it, okay, putting it on 0. Okay, then I have to take ammonium ferrous sulfate. I want to take 196 gram of it, near about 200. So we are putting this 196 gram of ammonium ferrous sulfate. It is around 31 gram. So we need 196 grams of it. We can use this spatula also.
So then we take the ferrous ammonium sulfate and mix distilled water into it and mark up to the volume of 1000 ml in volumetric flask. Now these are the two prepared solution of potassium dichromate and ferrous ammonium sulfate. And this is the burette. We used it for titration
Now
purpose.
what we have to do is, we have to take 1 gram of soil. Okay. So it is 0. Then I have to take 1 gram of soil. Is around 1, approx 1. Okay. Now I have to put this soil into a flask. Okay. To put this soil into this flask. Okay. Now what we have to do is, we have to take 10 ml of potassium dichromate. See guys, you have to take a marker and you have to write it here, K2Cr07, that is potassium dichromate. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to take 10 ml of this and we have to pour it over this soil.